In this section, we are going to be taking a look at how to request MiX Vision high-resolution tacho videos. The high-res tacho videos would typically be used when an accident has occurred that requires in-depth investigation. The tacho videos are 2 minutes and 30 seconds long and are only available for the last 72 hours of trip time, as trips will be overwritten as the space is required to store new video recordings. Click on the menu heading MiX Vision, and then on the menu item MiX Vision. Once you've made your date selection, click on the cross next to the vehicle to expand the detail. Click on the cross next to the required day. You can click on the trip detail icon to view the trip on the timeline, or alternatively, click on the cross to expand and then click on the event detail icon for that specific event. Both these actions will take you to the timeline, on which all the trips for that day for that specific vehicle is displayed. The selected trip will be displayed in a darker green and is also displayed on the map. Click on any trip on the timeline and it will be reflected on the map and in the details pane. To move to the left or to the right on the timeline, click on the corresponding blue arrows. To return to your original trip, click on the center button. The event count for the specific trip is also displayed. To zoom in, you can either move the time clock icon to the right, or in the drop-down you can select the time duration you would like to view, which is from 1 to 12 hours. Using your mouse, move the gray selector over the timeline to the time selection that you would like to see, and then left-click to select. The selected time period will be displayed. To request the road-facing video recording, click on the road icon, and to request the driver-facing video recording, click on the driver icon. For in-cab video requests, the selected section is displayed in grey on the bottom half of the timeline. If the road-facing recorded tacho data was requested, then the selection will also be displayed in grey, but on the top half of the timeline. Once the video is ready for download, an email will be sent to let you know that the video is ready. Refresh the page and then click on the selected section of the timeline, which should have changed from grey to blue or from grey to red, depending on whether you have selected road-facing or the in-cab facing video. Here you can choose to play the video or save the video to your desktop. And this brings us to the end of this section.